The pre-trip. Again, this is what truckers wear, dog. Yeah. Still got the Bosch manicures. You can't tell me no different, my man. Good, good. Good, good. No ID cab lights out. Iron Fist. Freight's all good too. That's another good thing about having those cameras, the freight camera especially. You can see if stuff's getting sloshed around, moved around. No leaks underneath the truck. Bone dry. Check the oil and trans fluid again. Coolant reservoir just below max. No leaks. Nothing like that. Again, just want to do your due diligence. Day 2, pre-trip, Dunzo. Okay, Garmin. Take me to 10020 South I-10 Service Road, New Orleans, Louisiana. I hate when it does this.
New Orleans.
New Orleans, you heard me?
New Orleans, baby.
Alright. Off and crack-a-lackin'. Dang.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Way station 106. Ooh, let me make sure my...
42, baby.
Oh, we gotta reconnect. Off to the races, my boy.
Bro, Russia announces human trials for a personalized cancer vaccine that will be free to the public.
Fake news. What Trump say? Fake news. Alright, we off. Day 2. 187 miles left. Alright, we got an eighth of a tank. And we got 67 miles to go. Think we gonna make it?
Yeah, we don't. We pushing this motherfucker.
It's gonna be close, bro. I've ran it low though before. I'm a risk taker. We're gonna find out for sure. Keep y'all updated. Another issue. Check engine light just came on. Bro, I opened up my fleet app, right? Look at the fault codes on this. 22 fault codes. I've never seen this, bro. $22 fault codes? How is that even possible? With one check engine light. And we're almost out of fuel, 8%. We in trouble. I've never seen that in my life. 22 fault codes. All observed. First detected 1:06 a.m. Last observed 1:08. I don't see any new. Oh, that's got to be a glitch, bro. 22 fault codes is insane. Oh well. Keep on trucking. Got that boy working. Oh no, you need some more juice on that thing. Scrub that thing like you ain't never scrubbed it before, man.
That shit was on Earth. Hey.
Yeah, bug guts. Fuel stop number 1. Shout out Mudflap. Shout out TA too. Shout out TA. This. Ugh. What is it? $3.43 a gallon. I think I'm getting it for $2.99. So 44 cents off a gallon with Mudflap. Decent savings. But we're gonna fuel up. He's gonna keep doing what he's doing, and probably go in and grab some food. Get back with y'all later. All right, we're all filled up. We get 60 gallons, 208 bucks with the discount. What is that? 45 cents off a gallon. I'm not good at math. 60 times 0.45, $27 savings. So 208. Minus 27, 181 to fill. Just by having the fleet card. So run in, grab some food, hop back on the road. I think we only got 2 hours left, probably. Close to 2 hours. Actually, I'm gonna pull up. What am I doing? Leave the truck in the fuel aisle. Now we're gonna start. And check in my stay on. That's not one today. But gonna go in, grab some food. Head back on the road, baby. 2 hours left till drop. We drop tomorrow, so we're chilling. But catch y'all then. Grab a Dunkin'. Mocha. Huh? Grab something to snack on.
That coffee did me wrong, boy.
You seen these before? Oh. Water just hit me in the head. You seen these before?
With some ranch in.
Yeah. Not good?
No. It's not it.
Wrap snacks. Damn, we gotta get the Boosie John
joint.
in Louisiana. Oh no, we're gonna find out. Try this Takis junk. Getting these. And that'll do. The haul. Package secured. Look at that truck. Clean truck. The Alcoa's on there. Fresh meats. Ooh. I didn't even put my cap on, dog. I'm tweaking. I didn't even screw my fuel cap. Messing up, dog. Glad I caught that. But we hopped on the road, we would have been filling up again. Back on the road.
We're on the road.
Pray this AC stays on. Oh no. Oh, it's blowing ice bots. But now,
Vinegar, barbecue, onion, garlic, and more.
that's little babies.
Yeah.
Those are decent.
You had this before?
Yeah. Alright, we hopping back on the road. Catch y'all in Baton, Louisiana, baby. In that swampland now, baby. I-55, bro. This has to be the longest bridge ever created. Known to man. We've been on this for what, like 15 miles already?
For real.
I think you would consider this a bridge, right? Like, look at it. Been over water for like 15 miles. This connects to Lake Pontchartrain. I don't know how you pronounce it, but then you get to New Orleans, and obviously you got the Gulf of America. But this is crazy. Waiting to see a gator head pop up. We just booked, well, I booked first driver. I just booked from Phoenix, Arizona to Las Vegas, Nevada. That is paying $3.70 a mile, and I'll upload all this later and show you all the rate confirmations and schedule of pay and stuff. It's $950 for 255 miles or 250 miles. Then I just booked myself a load from Louisiana to Las Vegas, Nevada as well, just north. Drops off at the Air Force Base there, 1,700 miles. And then my other driver is booked from Denver, Colorado to Ogden, Utah. I think Salt Lake City area for $850. So we got a lot done today, but like I said, I'll show you all the rate confirmations and schedule of pays and stuff like that. But for the most part, I want the first few videos just to be kind of like day in the lives, and then I'll start to get more in depth with the overall business aspect and side of things. But for now, enjoy this swamp country that y'all seen. Taking y'all with me every step of the way. Alright, we're able to drop off a day early, thankfully. We're at the drop now. Yeah, that's gonna hit that for sure. And it's not on pallets, but I might be able to. I mean, maybe I could just walk them up the sidewalk if I back up a little bit. I have a lift gate, so that's not an issue. Or I could go all the way on the other side and wheel them over there. It's up to you.
I don't really know. I'm just here to install the stuff. I don't know this place.
Got you.
I just showed up here when I called.
I'm just gonna back up to the sidewalk and then just walk them up for you.
Okay.
All right. Where's that sidewalk start at? Yeah, it's just like a crosswalk.
There, right there.
Now behind us. Get as close to that curb as I can. And just throw the hazards on. This will be good. Pop these off. I'm gonna leave the truck running. And we'll get some content on the upload for y'all. Still off duty. Alright, let's go unload, baby. Turn my lift gate on. off this ratchet strap. Yeah, you probably could just hand that to him. And we'll just wheel these in one by one. You want to hit that button? Yeah, we'll get these off. We'll get the BOL sign and then we'll get back with y'all. Walk these all the way up this sidewalk. Trying to push that up there?
Yep.
Get you some good hours in. While he's pushing that in, we'll make him do all the hard work. Work smarter, not harder. I already put my year in this business. Put this ratchet strap back up. Make sure we sit you, man. Thankful we're able to drop off today because we got another load that picks up about 100 miles away from here, and we could just go do it to the shipper tonight, pick up first thing tomorrow morning. We don't gotta wait, sit around just waiting for people. So always keep a clean truck. No matter how you do it, what works for you might not work for me. What works for me might not work for you. But clean is clean. So we'll wait on him. Come back. Unload these last three pallets, I guess. Just electrical components for the high school. Get our bill signed, and then we'll be off. Off to the races. Yeah, this house is supposed to be right here. We cool in the AC. We let the young guys do the work. I said, can you do it yourself? He said, yeah, I got it. All right, bucko. Training day. What do you say? I'm gonna send y'all to Pelican Bay. But yeah, we'll drop. He's got 2 more in there. He's just got to take them in there. And we're 109 miles away from the pickup for tomorrow, which is what, about an hour and 46 minutes with a 60 mile an hour moving average roughly. And then yeah, I'll show y'all how to get these bills signed, get paid, get up out of here, man. Quick $17.50. A day and a half worth of work. We left yesterday around noon, got to hotel at about 1 or 1:15 a.m. this morning, and then we left around like 11:45 noon today. Got here about 3 o'clock, 3:15 now. Should have the rest of these pallets unloaded in the next, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. So easy money, baby. All right, we'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. All right, he's getting the last one down now, so I'll hop out, walk over with him. That's the last one? Boy out here working. Huh?
That little brown box. Oh yeah, I gave
Yeah, with the tote, I think. It's hot. Fun? Oh, I'm gonna keep you with me all the whole time. Are you able to sign this for me? Can you sign signature right there? And then can you print and date down here? Print your name and then just date it. Today is, yeah, 8/4. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good to go? Thanks, man. Oh, I gotta give him his copy. Here's your copy.
Thank you.
Thank you. My boy. 26-foot non-CDL box truck. You do not need a CDL to do what we just did. And you can make $1,750 in a day and a half. Minus fuel and other minute expenses. Oh, you already put it on the chalk? Yeah, you good to go. Grab that strap when you come down. Yep. Just pull it. I got you. And then do it like this. Make sure this door's all the way down. Then we'll throw this lock back on here. Even though there's nothing in there. Yeah, we're good to go. We'll yeah, lift that up. You can let it slam on it. And then lift that up. And then grab that strap, move that strap. Whoops. Rookie. Good to go. All in a day's work, baby. On to the next one. Alright, we just got to, what's it called? Juicy Seafood Restaurant in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. There you go, right here. Juicy Seafood. About to go grub up. Head to the telly. After this, go to sleep. Do it all again tomorrow. We're gonna let you know what the seafood's hitting on though. Catch y'all in there. Got that juicy seafood, boy. So, just two. Hello. Good, how are you?
My name is Elise. I'm going to be your friend, okay?
All right. Yeah, some oysters, boy. Raw oysters. Look how thick this one is, boy. That's huge. My hand's huge, too. And look how big that is. The oysters just started off. You gonna try one?
Nope.
Really?
Man, I tried one last time.
You did?
When we was in Houston.
I'm gonna dive into these things, boy. Alright, here we go, man. Probably A1, but these ain't much. You gonna try one, man?
No good, brother. That's just slimy, bro. Eat that big ass thing.
That's huge, bro.
No.
It's fire though. Ooh, that got my nose burning. That horseradish got my nose burning.
That's hot one.
Like a nose burn. It's fire though. Try it.
I'm good, bro.
Crab cakes came out. You messing with crab cakes?
We got it. Let's try it. Let's bring it.
I'm rated 1 through 10. You don't like lemon on yours?
Y'all hidden?
Lemon? Oh yeah.
Appreciate it. That's all hidden?
Yeah. That's decent. I'll give it like a 8.3 out of 10.
8.3?
8.3. Yeah. Yeah, about like an 8.3. We got our boils out. What is hitting on, man? Ooh, fog them things up. Oh yeah. You gonna use gloves or anything?
No.
Alright, let's just throw that in there. Shrimp. What, green mussels? Corn, potatoes. Yeah, these are huge, bro. Look at this one. Moment of truth. Oh yeah.
Gas.
Oh yeah.
You really threw my meat through a shutter though.
What is that?
Solid. Move on.
I'll try one. What, it's sausage?
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen no sausage like that.
Real. Look at this.
That's fire though. 9.2 out of 10. At least on the shrimp so far.
Let me try that shrimp.
Look how big this is.
Let me know if they taste gamey or not. They just right.
No, it's fire. And that was a big one too. Yeah, it's fire. Seasoning's on point for real. Overall, 9.2 out of 10. About a max. You said what?
You ain't got enough crackers for that, boy.
Nah, I ate the other ones. I can't do that though.
Dip it up in there.
Nah, this all you, gang.
Oh, I can't. Well, I'm gonna throw that shit up.
Here, bro. I can't do that. I'm not that vetted in I ain't that vetted in that
They
shit.
died for the big ones, bro.
I'm cool on that, but the rest we bang that.
That shit was definitely fire.
Mine was hot, boy. My shit was way hotter than yours.
I thought mine was gonna be hotter.
We switched the spice levels. But overall, it's fire.
But what good? My stomach ain't where it's supposed to be though.
Nah, I gotta take another doodles. It's gonna be rough.
She can be mad. See how she come over here. I'm gonna blame one on that ocean.
We got like what, 20 more minutes to the hotel. I don't know if I'm gonna make it though.
They got a bathroom here.
Yeah, I'm gonna blow that thing down. But we're gonna get up out of here. Yeah. Catch y'all at the telly.
Deuces.
All parked up at probably the most ghetto red roof I've ever seen. We in the trenches. It's boarded up, spray painted. Said they under new management. Can't tell. But it was 53 bucks, so cheap. Hello, checking in.
Checking in for you made a reservation, sir?
Yeah, Tyrell
Oh, okay.
Saunders.
Can I get your ID, please? Thank you.
And do you have any first level floors available? Thank you.
Can I get your phone number, please? It's going to be double bed, right?
Yeah, just me and him.
And this is a prepaid one, right?
Yeah, price line.
So this is from building A and the room number is 118. It's right behind this building, okay?
Okay, thank you. I have a box truck. Is it okay if I park it right
That's
there?
fine, you can park it.
Okay,
Yep.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, have a nice day.
You too. 118. Oh, it smells like cigarettes in here. This ain't bad though. You already know. Oh, it's already on high. 60. Yeah. This ain't terrible.
No.
Seen worse. It smells like cigarettes though. Boy, we finna get rested up. It's been a long day, bro.
For real.
Dropped the load early. Booked 3 loads. Got to our next destination for pickup tomorrow. And yeah. We'll get all our bags and stuff in here. Call it a night. Day 2 in the books. Alright. We'll put up for the night, man. 6:34 p.m. Day 2 is over. You know we got to end it with the Bible verse. Still in Philippians 1 verse 19. For I know that as you pray for me and the Spirit of Jesus Christ helps me, this will lead to my deliverance. Can we get an amen to that? Day 2 complete. Start over in the morning. Same thing, different day. Peace out.